Welcome back to Trading Assassins. So today we will be going through BingX, which is one of my personal brokers or cryptocurrency exchanges that I use, and kind of going over how to use it and also how to use the demo account, the VST account, and also how to add your own funds as well. So without further ado, let's hop into BingX. Here we are on the main page. So what you'll do when you first sign in is you want to create an account. And then once you make an account, what you'll want to do, depending on what you're trying to do, is you'll go to assets. And if you're trying to add funds to your account, this is where you can deposit funds. And it gives you the option for a bunch of different tokens you can deposit, and also gives you networks as well, other networks as well. So if you want low trading fees, deposit fees, you can use Polygon, TRC20. Those are typically the lowest. BEP20 and then Solana are the next, and then you have ERC20 as well. ERC20 is a little bit more expensive, around $20 or so. And then from here, you can just deposit straight to your address from either your Coinbase, your Ledger wallet, your prop firm account. You can deposit it straight from here. Now, what happens if you don't already have funds? You can actually go up here and you can buy crypto with a credit card. So let's say you wanted to buy $50 worth of USDT. You select that, and it's going to give you other payment providers you can select from. So you can do Visa, MasterCard, Google Pay, Apple Pay, and it's going to show you how long it's going to take to arrive, and then the fees and that sorts of thing. Okay, so whether you choose to trade with your own funds or demo funds, if you're not already have a refined trade strategy, I highly recommend trading with demo funds. And especially once you're getting used to a new trading platform, you want to use demo funds anyways. So what you'll want to do is you can actually go to the standard futures and then look at over here. So you have your USDT account. And then I had 1,000 USDT in my account, but it's not here. What you actually need to do is, and this actually trips people up sometimes, is you actually go to your assets, and when you deposit it, it's in your fund account spot, and you need to transfer it to your futures account. Or if you want to do copy trading, you transfer there, or your grid account. So we're going to transfer $1,000 over. Another great thing about this is if you want to have like certain bags that you want to hold and you don't want to move and accidentally spend, you can leave them in your fund account, and then you can just transfer over what you want to trade. So if you want to trade with a portion of your account, this is a great way to do that. But we're going to send $1,000 over, transfer. So from fund account, I want to transfer to standard futures. Here you go, different options. $1,000, success. Now when we go to trade, you'll see that I have $1,000 to trade from. Now, if you're wanting to use the demo account and not live funds, you can actually go up here, the USDT account, select that, and you go to VST. So with all new accounts, you'll get a VST account. And so you have 100,000 VST. Their tokens are not worth anything, but you can trade these as if they are real money. So you can trade this as if it's $1,000, $100,000, or whatever value you want to assign to VST. You can actually trade demo funds with that. So let's actually do a market order, and we're going to use, this is not something I would ever do, but let's just say 24%, and we'll long it. There we go, success. And you'll see the exact position here. So long, you'll see the P&L, which I'm currently already down negative 1.4% or negative $300. And then you can actually see, if you adjust this up, you can see my trade down here. And then you can actually adjust your take profit and stop loss. So if you did not already have your take profit and stop loss up here, you can actually add it afterwards. So just select that, and let's set our take profit to right here at $21,500. Take profit, $20,500. This is going to sell all of it, and if it hits that price, will be a profit of $3,486 or a gain of 14%. That'd be a great trade. But if we wanted to do a partial amount, we can actually set to close a certain amount. So here we actually put in 24,000 VST, which is what our original order was up here. And it's asking how much of that 24,000 VST margin do you want to sell at this price? So let's just say 20,000. And then you'll see your different profit here. So if you wanted to do a partial close, this is how you do that. But for now, we'll just do all. And then we can also set our stop loss here. Just do 20,400. Must be higher. 20,500. If that happens, then we'll lose 19,000 VST. Those are submitted. And now you'll see my take profit up here. And then you'll also see stop loss down here. And you can also adjust these and it will automatically update them, which is super easy. So this is the VST account, which again is your demo funds. The live trading account is very similar. If you want to close the order, you can click this X. You can also click close as well. If you have multiple orders, you can select close all. So we'll just close from right here. It'll ask if you want to do a partial close, how much of that you want to close. We're going to do all of it, close, and success. So now you can actually go to your trade history. I'm going to adjust this up so you can see. Trade history. So that trade was a negative 158 VST. It shows you what sort of leverage you used, manual close. It gives you all the information here. So for your trade journal, you can use this information for your trades. Now, if you want to see total order history, you can actually view that here. Looks like they have not updated yet. And then these are going to be your open orders. So if you have any pending orders, so let's say you wanted to do a trigger order or a limit order, and we can do that at 21,000, let's just say. And long. Oh, there it goes. Just took a second to think about it. And then you'll see here, it actually shows you the value on that. And if you want to cancel that on the fly, you can actually adjust that. Cancel, confirm, and it's closed. So I also do want to show you as well, if you go over here, this is where you can select your different currencies. So you can scroll through them. If you have certain ones that you like to trade, you can flag them or star them and do that there. And then you can also trade Forex. So let's just do Euro, USD, USD Canadian, flag, and then let's have NASDAQ. Now, when you go to your favorites, it's actually going to show you all the ones that you starred. And you can just click them and you can go straight to the chart from there. Boom. And they also have your favorites saved up here. You can quickly go to them. And you'll see the market is closed. I'm recording this on a weekend. So the Forex market is currently closed for Euro USD. They also do have grid trading. So grid trading is basically a bot that captures profits 24/7 for you. And they have a couple different options. So they have a futures grid option where basically the bot trades on futures with margin. It looks like there's a lot of money invested in that and a lot of users. They also have spot grid, which is not with leverage. Basically with spot, you're buying low and selling high only. With futures, you can long and short. So there's more trading opportunities there. And a really interesting thing that I noticed down here is they have spot infinity grid, which is an arbitrage bot. So when one exchange or another has different prices, it changes the price difference between the two. So this is going to be your more safe version of the trading bot. I'm not a financial advisor, so make your own financial decisions based off your own research. With that being said, with any and all centralized exchanges or brokers, there is a certain level of exchange risk, which means that your funds on those platforms are not in your possession. They are in a custodial wallet by the exchange or the broker. So not your keys, not your crypto. with all centralized platforms, it's that way, and the same with BingX. I just wanted to throw that out there that there is a certain level of risk with any centralized exchange. So if we go into the futures grid, we can create one here. You can read through that and confirm. And then it's going to ask you different parameters, and you can set that up. It'll ask you how much of your investment capital you want to invest. So you'll see here that it's available as $2.96. That is from my funding account, not my futures account, even though this is a futures grid. So if we go over to that, you'll see if I want to transfer futures over to my fund account, let's say $100, confirm. We go back to grid trading. You'll see they have 102.96. So that's a great way to kind of keep go back to your assets. It's a great way to keep your fund account and then your futures account separate, depending on how you want to trade. And then whenever you actually start the grid trading, it's going to bring those funds over to your grid account. And the last thing I want to show you is the copy trading. So you can, if you're a great trader, you can actually sign up to be an elite trader, and you will actually earn a commission on the commissions from the trading fees of people copying your trade strategy. Now, if you want to do a more passive income approach, you can actually go through the different traders. You can have futures traders, spot traders, and then you can actually go through the trending ones, conservative ones, all of them. And what's cool, if you look at all of them here, is it will keep track of all of their trades, every single one of them. And then it'll actually show the amount of people that are copying their trades, the amount of risk that it assigns to those people, the amount of gains they had in the last 30 days. And you can actually see all that here. So if let's just click on 224, and you can see over, what's this, the past month. This is their growth in the past month. You can also do the last 90 days or the last 180 days. And you can see they're slow and consistent gaining, which is fantastic. You can see exactly what they trade, different performance on different days, risk assessment, all kinds of great statistics. And if you can actually see their current positions, their trade history, all of them, and you can see all the people who are copying them as well, and the amount of profit they've had. Lots of really great stuff. If you do not already have a BingX account, use the link down in the description below. It is an affiliate link. I will earn a small commission from it, but it is at no additional cost to you, and it's a great way to support the channel. The last thing I want to go over is our trading Discord. So if you have not already joined our trading Discord, the link will be down in the description below. But we have multiple different things over here. We have all the links to my trading course right over here. We do have, of course, people who post their chart ideas all throughout the day, and you can follow along. You can share your own as well. And you can also share your profits and see other members' profits. We also talk about trading psychology, NFTs. We also do have our trading assassins as well here. So these are going to be our trading assassins, and then we actually share our different thoughts and ideas for the market throughout the week and the day, post news, just overall thoughts. Here's Cam. There you go. So if you want to follow along with our trading assassins, this is a great way to do that. There's also some other things we talk about where we have market recaps, outlooks. We also do have people who talk about real estate investing, rentals, Airbnb, flipping. And then we also do have our lounges as well. And then we have other fun things here too. So if you have not already joined our Discord, definitely check it out. It's a great way to meet like-minded people and also sharpen your trading edge. So if this video has provided you any value, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.